Let's romanticize our homemaking these months with these 8 simple steps. Oh, and stick around because number 6 will totally shock you. Number 1, create a cozy atmosphere. Transform your home into a haven by incorporating warm lighting, fuzzy textures, and maybe even some scented candles. These things will help to enhance the overall environment and cause you to romanticize your homemaking. Next, let's use some personal touches. Infuse your space with some sentimental and DIY items. This will help to make your home a reflection of your unique personality and experiences. Making your homemaking a bit more personal is a surefire way to romanticize your homemaking. Another way to romanticize your homemaking is by incorporating some thoughtful meal planning. Romanticize your homemaking by experimenting with new recipes, exploring different types of cuisines, and presenting meals in an aesthetically pleasing manner to make everyday dining a delightful experience. Next up, let's cultivate a green haven. Incorporating houseplants or a small indoor garden brings nature indoors and fosters a serene and nurturing environment that adds to the romanticized charm of the home. Next, let's do some meaningful decor. Decorate your home in a way that tells a story or showcases some cherished memories. This creates a visually appealing and emotional environment that invites joy and nostalgia. Next, we're going to want to celebrate milestones. Believe it or not, celebrating milestones can definitely romanticize the homemaking experience by transforming homemaking into an even more fulfilling journey of personal growth and achievement. Celebrate accomplishments big and small in order to foster a positive and appreciative mindset and help to romanticize your homemaking. Next, we're going to do some mindful organization. Implementing effective and aesthetically pleasing storage solutions as well as decluttering your space help to promote a sense of calm and serene that will help to romanticize your homemaking. It will also help to simplify daily tasks. You can begin this by simply decluttering 15 minutes every single day, and eventually your home will develop this peace and serenity that is not very easily found when too many things are overcluttering our homes and our lives. Next, you're going to want to establish some routines. Having routines makes everything feel a bit more easygoing and will help to romanticize your homemaking journey. When you don't have to worry about what you're going to do when, and you have these simple routines, it not only helps to simplify everything, but it definitely helps to take a load off your shoulders. And if you have no idea where to start, then check out this video here where I talk all about how to create your own routine from start to finish, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!